junkfoodtaster.com, and today it's time for chocolate. But as you can see, not any chocolate, it's Ferrero Rocher chocolate. And I've got two flavors here with me today. The dark one, original, and white. And as an extra, I got Raffaello, cocos and almond cream. Yeah, this sounds promising, doesn't it? So it's a 90 grams already. Normal is like 100, but anyways. Yeah. Here you see how it opens. Okay. It's all packaged in a golden shiny film. Let's open everything up. Okay, opening fair. I think they're very similar inside. Or do I have something wrong here? I think first they want you to pull it. Anyways. Hey. Oh, I hate this kind of aluminum packaging. You always get like little pieces lying around. But looks kind of fancy. Here's stylized Ferrero boards on top. How do you open this in one piece? You don't, I think. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I'm totally under the weather, I'm sorry. But it's challenge. Challenge means you want to have like the right amount of videos. It basically means you have the videos and you don't have non-existing videos, if you got my meaning. Okay. Smells good. I think I can smell the coconut already. Now it's cutting time. Always cut stuff. As you can see, it's super sour. Okay. Okie dokie. And for fun reasons, I will try the coconut one first. Tastes awesome. Yeah, its coconut flakes are a little bit dry, but you can change it. It's like it's the way it's meant to be. Nice chocolate. So now white. It's just white already. The cream seems to be interesting. Oh wow, look at this. This was a really informative cut. Super delicious. I think it tastes like Kinder Bueno cream a little bit. Yeah, it has sort of interesting vibe. I think yeah. So Alright, it tastes just aroma. But there's this pure butter fat. Anyway, next one. This is now the original. Okay. I like how different they are inside. It's like ice cream. Wow. Unbelievably deep. Yeah. It's like, these are Rocher balls just pressed into a chocolate. It's a different form factor for a Rocher ball. That's the best one. This has like super addictive vibes. Awesome. No, black or dark. I think they say dark. No, they say hard bitter. Okay. They have like a very deep kick in the end. You have this edgewood dark chocolate kick. Very much. Yeah. As a kid I was reading the ingredient list. I always saw this ingredient here. Vanillin. And I was thinking this must be the ingredients which make it so delicious, but I'm not sure. I would rate this gourmet. Same, yeah. Here we have it. Okie dokie. So here we go, logbook time. Da da. Logbook. So, yeah, it was nice. So Ferrero Rocher Dark Gourmet is blue. Then the rest is, I think, win, with like the original being like a big win. Yeah, but still I have a bitter finish in my mouth. Yeah, the German word also says bitter. What does the English also sometimes say bitter chocolate? Let me know. This was like the best one. Then white was nice. And the other one here. Where's the package going? Here we go. It has a really nice coconut vibe. Here we go. Here, win as well. Alrighty, that's it, my little fans. See ya on Wednesday.